The Optoma HZ40HDR is a versatile HD DLP projector designed for home theaters and gaming setups. It combines full HD resolution, HDR support, and a laser light source to deliver a bright, detailed, and immersive viewing experience. Whether you're watching movies, streaming shows, or gaming, this projector provides sharp visuals and vibrant colors that really bring content to life. The exterior is sleek and minimalistic, finished in white. It fits naturally into a modern living room or media space, and its compact form factor makes it suitable for tabletop placement, shelf installation, or ceiling mounting. The build quality feels premium, which adds confidence that it's built to last. Image quality is a major highlight. The projector produces rich colors, deep blacks, and precise HDR highlights. Movies feel cinematic, and games come alive with lifelike textures and fast response times. Low latency ensures gaming is smooth and responsive, even during fast-paced sequences, and HDR enhances the realism of visuals without washing out details. Brightness is strong enough to work in rooms with moderate ambient light, thanks to the laser light source. Laser technology also extends the lifespan of the projector up to 30,000 hours, eliminating the need for frequent lamp replacements. Connectivity options are extensive. Multiple HDMI ports, including HDMI 2.0 with HDCP 2.2, USB, and DisplayPort make it easy to connect laptops, gaming consoles, media players, or streaming devices. No matter your setup, the HZ40HDR adapts effortlessly. Setup is straightforward. Vertical and horizontal keystone correction, along with corner fit adjustments, ensures perfect alignment even if your screen or wall isn't ideal. Throw distance is flexible, accommodating both smaller spaces and larger rooms. Audio is functional for casual use, but pairing the projector with a soundbar or surround system elevates the experience to true home theater quality. Fan noise is minimal, allowing uninterrupted viewing for long movie marathons or extended gaming sessions. In summary, the Optoma HZ40HDR is a well-rounded projector that excels in image quality, gaming performance, and usability. Its full HD resolution, HDR support, laser brightness, low latency, and flexible setup options make it ideal for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment system. To purchase the Optoma HZ40HDR HD DLP theater and gaming projector in white, visit the link in the description. It's a reliable choice for bringing cinematic visuals and responsive gaming into your home.